Hello there, I am Tugustu Zaryun. This is my channel, Tugustu Zaryun. Motivate and support me by subscribing my channel. Thank you. I am here. I will present this video is last unit for grade 7 students. Here, unit 6 is about introducing the students to have a skill of programming language. Here, logic-oriented, graphics-oriented programming. At the end of this unit, the students will be able to define logic-oriented, graphics-oriented. In short, logo, and describe the graphical elements of logo, what it seems, write the procedures on logo environment to make them familiar with as a starting with this programming language. Not such a difficult. That's why it is a beginner of programming language for students to have lesson for subject IT. Overview. This unit will be introduce students to programming in logic-oriented, graphics-oriented, and describes the basic elements of logic-oriented, graphics-oriented environment. Logic-oriented, graphics-oriented is a text-based programming language where children type commands that are then drawn on the screen. To make them familiar with, it's possible to use nowadays to use words to move objects. In fifth generation, it's possible to make high-level languages to develop a programming language because the computer understands English-like statements. That possible also to use words to communicate with the computer. Then the high-level language, the words will be translated or converted into machine language by compilers and interpreters are translators that help us to convert from one high-level language into machine language. For instance, if one speaks an English and the other speaks Amharic, how they can communicate? One converts, or we must have a translator between the two persons. It should be translated into English to Amharic or vice versa to have a communication like that of computer. A computer have a machine language, therefore the high level language is converted into machine language by interpreters and compilers. The compilers convert codes at once and the interpreters convert line by line. This unit also introduces the basic logo commands where the students use their knowledge of logo commands to read and write logo code. Programming language. What's a programming language? A computer programming language is an artificial language designed to instruct a computer what to do. Computer language or programming language is an artificial language designed to instruct a computer what to do. Just I have said before, a computer can interact with nowadays with English-like statements. Using English-like statement, possible to communicate. They can understand English-like statements, abbreviations, then possible to develop a program or a software using the variety of commands or rules. There are different types of computer programming languages. It helps us to develop a software or application or a program. C++, Python, Java, logic-oriented, graphics-oriented, in short logo. They are the types of some of the major types of programming language, including the JavaScript and Visual Basic and others. In this unit, logic-oriented, graphics-oriented programming language is discussed. A logo is a programming language specifically designed for its ease of use and graphics capability. A logo or logic-oriented, graphics-oriented is a programming language specifically designed for its ease of use and graphic capability. It is a type of programming language mostly designed to develop graphics. It was originally designed to introduce children to programming concepts. Just name the goal here at the beginning. It is designed for a case of to introduce children to programming concepts. The logic-oriented graphics language is called Turtle Graphics, which allows complex graphics image to be created with a minimum of coding. With the minimum of coding, it's possible to develop a graphics. It allows to develop complex graphics image to be created with the minimum of coding. Logic-oriented graphics is a programming language that is very simple and easy to learn. It is used for teaching students and children how to program a computer. Just it is easy that it helps us a career to develop a program using other types of programming language. We have C++, Python, Java and others. Therefore, as a beginner, this logo is very simple. It uses code, but as a beginner, it helps to a career for to use other programming languages. Why should we learn a logo programming language? Because it lots of fun, means may not be complex. It enhances the logical sense of the children. It attracts the children because there is a graphics. It develops programming skills. Parallelly, it is a career for other programming languages like Python, Java, and others. To write programs using logo or logic-oriented graphics-oriented programming language, first we need to have the software installed in our computer, which is MSW logo in short. Microsoft Windows logo is the most commonly used software to write programs in logic-oriented graphics-oriented programming language. Here in figure 6.1 MS logo software icon. I have already installed Microsoft Windows logo, but it's not as such difficult to download and use this software. Using Google search, you can search and you can download it. This is the window for MSW logo screen, Microsoft Windows logo screen. Have a menu with file, bitmap, save, zoom, help, and we have here a command window. The command window is mostly as it is designed to write commands, and we have the main window or logo screen here. The steps to open, just to open logo, you can type easily on the start menu, logo on start menu, LOGO. It displays Microsoft Windows logo, or you can get from the desktop if you have a shortcut. To open the Microsoft Windows logo, you can open by clicking on the icon as shown here on the desktop, or using the start menu. You can type also a logo LOG. When you type LOG, it displays. So using the start menu programs, then you'll get Microsoft Windows logo, and you'll have say type of window. Steps to open Microsoft. Once you have opened Microsoft Windows logo application, you can run the demonstration by clicking the help menu and then click on demonstration. The graphical elements of Microsoft Windows logo, as illustrated in figure 6.4, the Microsoft Windows logo screen has two parts, which are the main screen, also known as the graphic screen. It is the place to draw pictures or figures. After given the specific code on command window, just on the main screen, you will see the consequences or the graphics on the main screen. The main screen, also known as the graphics screen, is a place to draw pictures or figures. And other window is the commander window. The commander window is the place to give commands to the turtle. By default, there is a triangle shape object on the main screen. We say turtle. Commander window is the place to give commands to the turtle. Therefore, the command window will give a command to this turtle. Here is the turtle. Here is a command window. On this area, we will type the command in this place text box. the two main parts of Microsoft Windows logo, which is the main screen and the commander window here. The Microsoft Windows logo screen elements are shown in figure and the detailed description of each of screen elements are given below. We have title bar on the screen. The title bar contains the name of the program, which is MSW logo, Microsoft Windows logo. Under title bar, there is a menu bar. The menu bar contains various options for handling, editing, and formatting files. Menu titles contain various options which come when this menu titles are clicked upon. The button bar provides additional shortcuts for logo commands. To execute a button command, position the mouse cursor on the button and press the left mouse button. And the other is listener window. Listener window is the area where the commands are typed. And the turtle is the triangle shape in the center of the graphic screen. It's called the turtle. The turtle moves on the screen according to the commands you give it. The command input box, it is where you type commands and execute them by clicking on the execute button or by pressing the enter key on the keyboard. The command input box. It is found on listener window. The command input box is located on the bottom of left portion of the command window. Output or command record list box displays and records all the commands that are executed and are messages which are outputs of these commands. Output or command record list box is located above the command input box. Here is the command box here. Here is the text box. Okay, here is the window screen element. Here is the title bar. And below the title bar, here is the menu bar. Here is the turtle playground. Here is the turtle. The command window here. The input box. The input box. Input box is here. The command window is here. The commander. The command box. And the command buttons on the right side. Command button. Basic Microsoft Windows logo drawing commands. The Microsoft Windows logo consists of 4 basic drawing commands. Move the turtle forward. It's possible to move them forward. The 4 basic drawing commands. It's possible to move the turtle by giving some length. For instance, FD, it helps to move the turtle forward. FD. In short, we use this command for the case of moving the turtle forward. Move the turtle backward. In case of backward, we use BK. BK then giving a number, specific number. And turn the turtle right in case of RT. And LT is left turtle. Possible, just let me give, here is an example for this. Just let us use Microsoft Windows logo screen here. Here is the turtle main window screen. For instance, forward, to move the turtle forward 10, we can type FD, then space 10, then execute. As you have seen, it moves 10. To move right, RT, then 90, for instance. It moves, or the turtle changes the direction into 90 degree. Left, for instance, LT, 90. As you have seen, changes the direction. Back, PK, 10. Backward. See if you see. CLS clear screen. CS clear screen. Is this screen? The screen is cleaned. Forward 90 for instance. Let me see. BK 90 back. The turtle moves back. Procedure. A procedure is a set of instructions that is given a name that describes it. What's a procedure? It is a set of instructions that is given a name that describes it. For instance, we have used a forward 90 like that. They are a procedure. It helps us to organize a large project into smaller parts that work together to achieve a goal. The Microsoft Windows logo commands described in sections such as forward and back are called primitive procedures. What type of? They are primitive procedures. They are words that logo has already known. We can also add new words to the language and then use them as if they were built in. What the detail on how to create a new words are usually called procedures. What the statement says? Just we have to only use right procedures that are put in as a standard, as a rule. For instance, to move the turtle to forward, we have to only use FD and only FD. It's not possible to use to move go forward to some specific steps. It's not possible to use other abbreviations rather than FD. It's not possible to use FO or FW or FR or FW. Only FD for the case of forward. The same to right RT, left LT, back BK. It's a rule. Usually it is much easier to type a one-word procedure name than to type all of the instructions that will do the same thing. For example, we'll type square or repeat for forward, under, right. Just let me type here for instance. Okay. Repeat. It is a procedure. Open bracket. Forward space 100. Right. Repeat 90. It repeats 4 times. Then execute. As you have seen, it draws a square. For instance, here is for example, we will type a square or repeat for forward, under, right. Every time we want a square, define a procedure is so simple that we will often do that before everything. Forward 100 to 4 times means there are 4 sides with there are 4 angles on a square. They have 90 degrees. Therefore, the length is 100. The angle is 90 degree, right? 90 degree. A procedure name is one word that would describe what the procedure does so that you can easily remember what it is for. We have to always define the procedure before using it. Otherwise, we will have receive a message like your procedure is not in logos. Defining a procedure. To write a logo procedure, we can use either of the following options. The to command, the editor window there is. Click in the command input box, type to followed by the name for the procedure. For example, to square. Then enter. The module input box, click the inside the box, enter the commands one after the other. It says we can use editor window. There is an editor window that helps to type a procedure file edit. You can create a procedure, for instance, square. Then you can type here procedure for prepare square, for instance. Repeat for 300, right, 90, save it, save and exit. Then on command window, we can call it, and we have saved it with a square. We can call it a square. It is draw, as you have seen. CS, clear screen. Then square, called square. As you have seen, a square is drawn here. Running a procedure after typing on edit window. It is saved with a square. This is all about the last topic for grade 7 student textbook. Thank you.